Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone isn't recognizing your lock screen pattern. First of all, if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, for example your fingerprint scanner or a face unlock feature, then you can use it to get access to your device, then back up all of your important data to either Google Cloud Storage or an SD card, and then perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode. If you don't know how to access recovery mode, we have a video on our channel explaining how to enter recovery mode on this phone step by step, and how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on Motorola Moto G10. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that video out. And after the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up a new account, or your account anew on this smartphone, and create a new password for yourself, then restore the data that you backed up. Now, if this option isn't available for you, then the best decision would be to contact Motorola Customer Support service and tell them about the issue that you're having. This way, if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they'll be able to help you out resolving your issue and recovering your account, removing your password without erasing your data from the smartphone. Now, if you don't have such an opportunity, then you have two different options of what you can do. Both of them are factory reset operation, basically. So in both cases, you're gonna have to erase all data from your smartphone to reset your password. Now, there are two ways to do that. One is the recovery factory reset operation that I mentioned before. So yeah, I'm not gonna show it in this video, but if you're interested, go ahead and check out our other video on that. To enter recovery mode, basically you just have to turn off your phone and then hold down power button and volume down key until you see the recovery mode, where you're gonna have to select wipe data / factory reset option and then reboot system now, then wait until your device is restarted. Now, you can also perform factory reset operation remotely. However, I'm gonna show you how to do that on this phone. In order to perform factory reset operation remotely, since you most probably have a Google account set up on your smartphone, you're gonna have to use any other device that has internet access on it to enter the web browser and find and open the Find Hub page. It's Google service, so don't worry. All you have to do is sign in to Find Hub using your Google account, and after you do that, on the Find Hub page, go to the Devices tab, then select your Motorola from the list. Now I'm gonna select another smartphone since Motorola won't work for me. Now, once you select your device, you're gonna have to select factory reset device, and once your smartphone is reset, you'll be able to set it up once again. So yeah, so that's it. Now, there is one additional possibility. So if you do remember your lock screen pattern but your phone isn't accepting it, sometimes it might be because of some third-party application interference or some background activity interference, and in such case we can try to launch our phone in the safe mode, and in the safe mode there are no third-party applications or background activities running on your phone that may affect the way that your lock screen behave. And in order to access the safe mode, you're gonna have to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds to open up the power menu, and then hold your finger down on the power off option and tap OK to reboot to safe mode. Then wait until your phone is restarted. And after your phone is restarted and you see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, try entering your password once again, and in case you succeed, before trying to figure out which application or which process could have caused this issue, let's first enter settings on the smartphone and lower brightness a little because I can't see anything, and then open the security right here, the security menu. Go to screen lock, enter your password once again, and then select none, or swipe. Then tap yes, remove. And then we can normally restart the phone by holding down the power button, tapping restart, and return to the normal mode, and the password will be erased. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.